Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Pisces at yung mga bago po nating viewers. So, tignan po natin ngayon para po sa November 11, 2023 na reading. Ano po yung mensahe para sa'yo? We have a jumping card. This is the 7 of Wands. We have the Fool and the 10 of Wands. Bottom niya is the Sun. Ooh. Okay, Pisces. Meron kang pinoprotektahan maigi. Now, if it is something to do with a relationship, of course, you're protecting yung kayong dalawa, or you could be protecting yourself, your heart, your emotion. Kasi you wanted really to be free. Gusto mong maging libre, free to do whatever you want. If you are tied down to a relationship or something that's holding you, naramdaman mo kasi na parang enough is enough, no? Gusto mo nang i-alsin yung sarili mo sa relationship na to. You want to unload yourself and be free. No, with the Fool, this is an energy coming from an Aries. You wanted to be free because you wanted to feel happy, no? With the Sun, this is an energy coming from a Leo. Gusto mo maging masaya, Pisces. Gusto mo makaramdam ng, alam mo yon, ng ginhawa, ng paglago, ng pagdami, ng tunay na kaligayahan. Pakiramdam mo kasi is parang you are protecting, parang bang, alam mo yung dinidepensa mo masyado yung sarili mo. Yung kung sa is, meron kang mga kaaway, pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo. Kaya gusto mong mawala sa ganong scenario. And just want to be free as a bird. Wala kang, as if you don't care anymore na kung ano man yung haharapin mo sa future. And you don't want any more burden. Ayaw mo na ng hirap. Gusto mong paisi-isi na lang. Ayaw mo na ng hirap. Kasi gusto mo talaga ng kaligayahan. You wanted to be happy. For once in your life, you just want to be happy. You want to be smiling all the time. You want to feel joy. Ayaw mo na ng burden, ayaw mo ng hirap, ayaw mo ng problema. You want balance in your life. This is the Justice card, an energy coming from a Libra. Gusto mong balance ang iyong buhay. And with the King of Swords, talagang ipaglalaban mo na maging, alam mo yun, na maging matapang ka. Ipaglalaban mo maging matapang ka para maharap lahat ng mga pagsubok na dadating sa buhay mo. Including ito, the Moon, again, this is you. Including sa mga bagay na hindi mo alam. You know, there's a lot of things that you don't know yet. But with the energy of the King of Swords, kakayanin mong harapin lahat ng mga bagay na hindi mo alam. Okay? And ang isa doon sa hindi mo alam is somebody from your past is returning. This is with the Six of Cups. Babalik siya. Somebody from your past. Okay? I don't know if this is an ex or this is somebody new. Somebody that you knew before when you were small. Definitely may age difference, no? May matanda, may bata. Take it as it resonates. Kung sino sa inyo mas matanda o bata, Pisces. But, yun nga sabi ko, there is this person na kilala mo na siya noong pa. It could be another lifetime. Okay? And this person is talagang kaakit-akit with the energy of the Empress. Okay? Talagang somebody na medyo mataas na yung, kung gabae, mataas yung kanyang narating, napakaganda niya, attractive, punong-puno ng buhay, punong-puno ng, sabihin, okay siya, yung kanyang kabuhayan, no? At dito sa tao na to, you will feel equal. Yung hinihingi mo ditong balance with the Justice card, you will feel it kasi ito yung Six of Pentacles. May equal give and take. No? Kung ano man yung ibigay mo rito attention at pagmamahal, ibabalik niya yan sa'yo ng pareho. Okay? So, I mean, napakaganda ng cards, Pisces. That's why you wanted, alam mo, that sa future mo, things will be better kesa yung ngayon na hinaharap mo. That's why you wanted to be free and face the future. Kasi alam mo, I think you have that feeling that things will be much better coming kesa yung mga nangyayari ngayon, no? Yung nangyayari ngayon na you're just being so protective or defensive of a lot of things in your life. This is giving you that mentality o yung mindset na there is sunshine to where I'm heading, which is this, no? Ito yun. This is the sun. This is happiness. You know, if I go and take that risk, magbabaka sakali ako na gawin ko talaga yung gusto ko, magiging maligaya ako. I will be happy. At yun yung gusto ko kasi sa ngayon, ayoko na nitong hirap. Tinatapon ko na nga ito eh. Parang ganun. Ting, ting. Ayoko na niyan. I don't want burden anymore. Kaya nga, you're trying to end this burden by having this energy of the Fool. Parang, sige, I will do. Bahala na. Gagawin ko talaga yung gusto ko. And I think you will be successful in doing that. Okay? I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo, Pisces. Kung ano man yung inaharap mo ngayon, don't be afraid. Lakasan mo loob mo. Have that energy of the Strength card, which is a energy coming from a Leo. Lakasan mo loob mo. Be courageous. Look forward. Look forward. And look for the sun. Kasi yun yung look for the sun. Kasi ito yung magbibigay na sa'yo ng kaligayahan. Okay? Stay positive, in other words. Stay positive and just do what you love to do. Believe that you will be happy. And you will be happy. Okay? Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sorry, this is for November 11, 2023. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.